Facts. In Australia, so did you know Australia is wider than the moon, with a diameter of almost 4,000 kilometers from east to west? And also, to our last did you know for today, the oldest living land animal on earth is a 192-year-old tortoise named Jonathan. Jonathan. Okay, so Jonathan the Seychelles giant tortoise is indeed considered the oldest living land animal on earth, with an estimated age of 192 years. He lives in the island of St. Helena, a British overseas territory in the South Atlantic Ocean. And that's all for today in History and Did You Know?